Did you know you can eat your way to better vision? You heard me right. We're ditching the blurry vision and diving headfirst into 3 superfood-packed recipes, scientifically proven to improve your eye health. We've got a vibrant, antioxidant-rich smoothie, a creamy, comforting soup, and a delicious omega-3 packed salmon dish. Get ready to fuel your body and sharpen your vision, one delicious bite at a time. All right, you lot. First up, we're kicking things off with a vibrant, delicious smoothie that's bursting with eye-healthy goodness. This isn't just any smoothie, it's a powerhouse of nutrients specifically chosen to support and enhance your vision. So let's dive into the ingredients and see what makes this smoothie so special. We're talking blueberries, spinach, Greek yogurt, a touch of honey, and a secret weapon, chia seeds. Each of these ingredients brings something unique to the table, contributing to the overall health of your eyes. Now blueberries, these little beauties are packed with antioxidants, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your eyes. Antioxidants are crucial because they help to neutralize harmful molecules that can lead to oxidative stress, a major factor in eye diseases. And did you know blueberries can reduce the risk of cataracts? It's true, cataracts are a common issue as we age, but the antioxidants in blueberries can help slow down the process, keeping your vision clearer for longer. These tiny powerhouses are like sunglasses from the inside out. They protect your eyes from the inside, providing a natural defense against the sun's harmful rays and other environmental factors. Next, we've got spinach, a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that protect your eyes from harmful blue light. These nutrients are found in high concentrations in the macula, the part of the retina responsible for central vision. We're talking phones, computers, those pesky screens we can't seem to live without. Blue light exposure from these devices can cause digital eye strain, but lutein and zeaxanthin help filter out this light, reducing its impact on your eyes. Now, a dollop of Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein, keeping you full and satisfied. Protein is essential for maintaining the health of your eye tissues, and Greek yogurt is a delicious way to get it. And a drizzle of honey adds a touch of natural sweetness. Honey is not only a healthier alternative to refined sugar, but it also has antibacterial properties that can benefit your overall health. Finally, the secret weapon, chia seeds. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny warriors are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for maintaining good eye health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and support the health of the retina. All right, let's get blending. Add a handful of blueberries, a cup of spinach, half a cup of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of honey, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a splash of water or almond milk to your blender. Each ingredient is carefully measured to ensure you get the maximum benefit for your eyes. Blitz it until smooth and creamy, and there you have it. The blending process helps to break down the ingredients, making it easier for your body to absorb all those wonderful nutrients. A delicious, refreshing smoothie that's not only good for your taste buds, but for your precious peepers too. Enjoy this vision-boosting treat any time of the day, and give your eyes the love and care they deserve. Now, let's get those taste buds tingling with a creamy, comforting carrot and sweet potato soup. This delightful dish is perfect for any season, whether you're looking to warm up on a chilly winter evening or enjoy a light, nutritious meal in the summer. The combination of carrots and sweet potatoes creates a naturally sweet and earthy flavor that is simply irresistible. This soup is not only delicious, but packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is crucial for good vision. Beta-carotene is also a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Plus, the vibrant orange color of the soup is a visual treat, making it as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. First, grab your carrots and sweet potatoes. When selecting your produce, look for firm, brightly colored carrots and sweet potatoes without any blemishes or soft spots. Fresh, high-quality ingredients will make a noticeable difference in the flavor and texture of your soup. Give them a good scrub, peel them, and chop them into chunks. It's important to wash your vegetables thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Peeling the carrots and sweet potatoes will give your soup a smoother texture, and chopping them into uniform pieces ensures they cook evenly. Remember, we want these cooked evenly, so no massive chunks, all right? Aim for pieces that are roughly the same size, about an inch or so. This will help them cook at the same rate, ensuring a consistent texture throughout the soup. Now, heat a glug of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Olive oil adds a rich, fruity flavor to the soup, and helps to sauté the vegetables without burning them. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the onions, as this will help to release their natural sweetness. Add a chopped onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. The onion adds a depth of flavor to the soup, creating a savory base that complements the sweetness of the carrots and sweet potatoes. Stir occasionally to prevent the onions from sticking to the pot. Then, add the chopped carrots and sweet potatoes, along with a teaspoon of ground cumin and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a touch of warmth. The cumin adds an earthy, slightly smoky flavor, while the cayenne pepper gives the soup a gentle kick. Adjust the amount of cayenne to suit your taste. Cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This step allows the vegetables to start softening and absorb the flavors of the spices. The aroma that fills your kitchen at this point is simply mouth-watering. Next, pour in enough vegetable broth to cover the vegetables. The broth adds a savory depth to the soup and helps to cook the vegetables until they are tender. You can use homemade broth for an extra layer of flavor or store-bought broth for convenience. Bring it up to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Simmering allows the flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a harmonious and well-balanced soup. Now here's where the magic happens. Blending the soup transforms it from a chunky mixture into a smooth, velvety delight. Grab your trusty immersion blender or carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender. If using a regular blender, blend in batches to avoid overfilling and potential spills. Always be cautious when blending hot liquids. Blitz it until smooth and creamy. The goal is to achieve a silky texture that glides over your taste buds. If the soup is too thick, you can add a bit more broth or water to reach your desired consistency. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This final seasoning step is crucial to bring out all the flavors in the soup. Taste as you go and adjust the seasoning until it's just right. Remember, tasting as you go is crucial. It ensures that the flavors are balanced and that the soup is seasoned to perfection. Ladle the soup into bowls, swirl in a dollop of Greek yogurt or a drizzle of cream, and sprinkle with fresh parsley or chives. These garnishes add a touch of creaminess and a burst of fresh flavor that elevates the soup to the next level. There you have it, a comforting, flavorful soup that's not only good for your soul, but for your eyesight too. Enjoy this nutritious and delicious meal with family and friends, and savor every spoonful of this delightful creation. Chapter 3. Baked Salmon with Kale and Citrus Salad. Right, let's move on to the star of the show. Baked Salmon with Kale and Citrus Salad. This dish is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a delight for the taste buds. It's perfect for a healthy weeknight dinner or even a special occasion. This dish is a symphony of flavors and nutrients, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. The fresh salmon fillets are the centerpiece, providing a rich source of protein and healthy fats. The kale adds a hearty, earthy flavor, while the citrus fruits bring a burst of tangy sweetness. The almonds add a satisfying crunch, making every bite a delightful experience. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure that the salmon cooks evenly and develops a beautiful, slightly crispy exterior. Now, let's prepare the salmon. Start by selecting the freshest salmon fillets you can find. Freshness is key to achieving the best flavor and texture. Pat the salmon fillets dry with paper towels. This step helps to remove any excess moisture, allowing the seasoning to adhere better and the salmon to cook more evenly. Drizzle them with a bit of olive oil and season generously with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The olive oil helps to keep the salmon moist, while the lemon juice adds a refreshing zing. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. The parchment paper prevents the salmon from sticking to the baking sheet and makes for easy cleanup. Next, let's tackle the kale salad. Kale is a superfood that's packed with nutrients, and when prepared correctly, it can be incredibly delicious. Massage the kale leaves with a bit of olive oil to tenderize them. This step helps to break down the tough fibers in the kale, making it more palatable and easier to digest. Add some chopped red onion for a bit of bite. The red onion adds a sharp, tangy flavor that complements the earthiness of the kale. Segments of orange and grapefruit for a burst of freshness. The citrus fruits not only add a vibrant color to the salad, but also provide a sweet and tangy contrast to the other ingredients, and a sprinkle of toasted almonds for crunch. Toasting the almonds enhances their flavor and adds a delightful crunch to the salad. Whisk together a simple dressing with olive oil, lemon juice, honey, and Dijon mustard. This dressing is light and tangy, perfectly balancing the flavors of the salad. Now pop the salmon in the preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until cooked through and flaky. The cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of your salmon fillets, so keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. While the salmon is baking, toss the kale salad with the citrus dressing. Make sure every leaf is well coated with the dressing to ensure maximum flavor in every bite. Once the salmon is cooked, serve it over a bed of the vibrant kale salad. The combination of the warm, flaky salmon with the fresh, tangy salad is simply irresistible. This meal packs everything your eyes need to stay healthy. Omega-3s from the salmon, which are essential for maintaining good vision and overall eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin from the kale, which are powerful antioxidants that help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases. Vitamin C from the citrus fruits, which is crucial for the health of blood vessels in your eyes and can help prevent cataracts. And vitamin E from the almonds, which helps protect your eyes from free radical damage. It's a nutritional powerhouse that's as delicious as it is good for you. Enjoy this meal knowing that you're nourishing your body and supporting your eye health with every bite. There you have it, 3 incredible recipes bursting with flavor and eye-healthy goodness. We've got the antioxidant-packed Vision-Boosting Smoothie, the comforting and vitamin-rich carrot and sweet potato soup, and the omega-3 loaded baked salmon with kale and citrus salad. So, what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen and give these recipes a go. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And remember, good food is the best medicine. Subscribe for more recipes that heal your body one bite at a time.